Today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Clapper app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, you just click on settings here. So when you click here on settings, it's going to take you to this list. So then you go down, just keep going down until you found here apps, click on it. Then you come to next step here, and here you're looking for a Clapper app, or just click on search, add here Clapper. It's going to show for you like this. You click on it, so then it's going to take you to this list. Click on force stop, click on OK. Then you go down, just click on storage. You come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, just turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on it again, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.